Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to create a Facebook page. Okay, so first of all you need to open your browser and go to facebook.com and log into your Facebook account. There are two ways to create a Facebook page. One is to click on pages and click on create new pages. The second option is click on the menu icon and click on page in the drop down section. After that, enter the name of your page and other relevant information. Choose the type of page you want to create. After that, click on the create page button. Fill up the contact and location details which you want to mention on your page. After that, click on next button. Upload profile picture and cover photo to your page. You can add action button. Click on next. And if you don't like to connect your WhatsApp page, just skip this page. Build your page audience by inviting your friends and fans and click on next. After that, if you want to receive notifications in your profile, so you can turn on this notification button. After that, click on done. You are good to go. That's it. You should now have a fully functional Facebook page. Enjoy, and thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Peace out.